Hello, it's Monday the 23rd of January 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar weakened versus most majors on Friday's trading after weaker than expected existing home sales, which came out 4.61 million lower than the expected 4.65 million. Nasdaq remained almost unchanged with a minus 0.06% decline, while the Dow gained by 0.76%. Crude oil declined by minus 2.20%, closing at $98.33 a barrel, and gold gained by 0.57% to close at $1,664 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro declined on Friday's trading as investors closed positions before the verdict regarding Greece's bond swap agreement. Euro-dollar's trend remains bearish in the long term, but the current retracement could continue higher. A cross above the 130 mark could lead to a rally upwards. Today, consumer confidence is expected with minus 20 versus minus 21 prior. The British pound rallied versus the dollar and the yen as retail sales rebounded in December, adding demand for the pound. Retail sales came out at 0.6% as expected. The pound dollar continues to be bullish as long as it is above the 155 support level. The pair is facing strong resistance around 157 and 157.50. The yen finished stronger versus the dollar and the euro and weaker versus other majors. Demand for the safe haven of the yen has been in decline over the past week. Technically, the dollar-yen has been trading in a channel between 76.60 and 77.30 and located on the daily chart at 76.60. The BOSC will release its interest rate decision overnight, expected unchanged at 0.10%. Finally, the Canadian dollar, the CAD weakened versus the US dollar, snapping a four-day winning streak as inflation slowed down. Canadian CPI declined by minus 0.6% versus minus 0.1%, expected weakening investors' expectations for a near interest rate hike in Canada. Core CPI declined by minus 0.5% versus minus 0.2% prior, and wholesale sales dropped by minus 0.4% versus minus 0.8% prior. The dollar CAD is on a downward trend with a strong support level around 100.75. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.